This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 33, The Art of Persuasion II. The video introduces the art of persuasion and explores how attitudes act as emotional mediators, influencing the success of persuasive communication techniques. It examines the characteristics, functions, and effects of persuasive messaging, highlighting factors like source credibility, message appeal, and audience personality that impact persuasion outcomes. The footage delves into specific source and message factors that influence persuasion, such as celebrity endorsers, use of evidence, fear appeals, framing, and language aspects like vividness and emotional intensity. It covers strategies around message-sidedness, explaining how two-sided messages can be more persuasive when opposing views are acknowledged, but one's stance is strengthened, while cautioning against the potential backfire of fear appeals. The video discusses the persuasive power of language, demonstrating how vivid metaphors, emotional rhetoric, and tapping into strong likes or dislikes can engage feelings alongside logic for effective persuasion. It summarizes key persuasion tips like understanding techniques, focusing on the listener's interests, using concepts like exclusivity and relevance, leveraging multimedia tools, and consistently practicing persuasive communication skills. The footage culminates with key takeaways, reinforcing that attitudes are emotional mediators. Source credibility and message style impact persuasion. Two-sided messages are powerful when opposing views are addressed. Emotional language provokes for persuasion, and consistent practice is crucial for business success. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.